The Penguin Lessons 2024. Wow, I love this film. It was hilarious. It was a real ride up and down at times. There were some lows, there's some worrying stuff, especially since the theme is opposite with world politics at present. The dictatorships, the coups, the situation, the uncertainty. And this is set in Argentina in 1976. And it stars Steve Coogan as Tom Mitchell, who is starting to work at a boys' school in a private school. It's very secluded, and the headmaster does not want any engagement with politics, either at the school or in any way with what is happening in the local towns. When he arrives, a gun is pointed at his face simply because an explosion is heard in the distance in a nearby town. So within a few days, the precarious situation has totally collapsed. There's a coup and the school is shut for a week. And because of this, Tom decides to go an adventure and exploration, and he talks about going to Uruguay. I don't think he did go there simply because the place he went to seems to have a beach, and goes there with Tapio, a Finnish colleague played by Bjorn Gustafsson. Another key character is Maria, played by Vivian L. Jabber, and David Herrera plays Diego. Jonathan Price plays Headmaster Buckle. Tapio, whom he puts down slightly, that little macho element that Brits have. They both dance with women. This is very cis and straight as a storyline. Tom meets a woman. They go for a walk on the beach and end up in an oil slick. Suddenly they find a penguin who's alive, who survived in this oil slick. There's humour all the way through this because he's reluctant right from the start. It's his woman friend who actually persuades him to take the penguin back to the hotel to clean him up. And the penguin is a he, apparently. There's a moment at one point with the soap, which might seem like an egg. There's humour all the way through. But because he's cleaned it up and he can't get rid of this penguin, he tries a local zoo, he tries various things. The staff at the school and subsequently the students all find out about the penguin. They have to try and keep this knowledge from the headmaster. Yeah, it's funny. There's this little yard that he luckily has so that the penguin can go outside. It's just up and down humour. There's some heaviness as well. We talk about snatch squads on the news recently. Well, in Argentina there were. There's that storyline which is really serious. There's all these elements that kept reminding me about the present day. There's enough humour to distract me again. Loved it, thought it was great. Steve Coogan often can be relied upon for providing both the serious and the humour. I think it will deserve score-wise 9 out of 10. Yeah, I keep scoring 9 for films. I have other films I see that don't score as well, but the films I most want to talk about are often the films that I like the most. This was absolutely so much fun. Having a Finnish character I loved as well. The way the police react when they threaten to arrest him for having a penguin, but also forcing him to keep it. They use the law both ways against him. Let me know what you think if you've seen this film. Thanks for liking if you like this review. Hit the like. Thanks for subscribing. Please hit the notification button, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.